Hello, my lovely people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to your time. Oh, yes, so it's me again, Mama Virtuous TV. Yeah. So today there is voice recording that one of my fans sent to me concerning Aboki Agbo, where he delete Mama Pikin for Nigeria, Benin. So I just want to play the voice record for una still lis ten wetin dey happen now for inside naija, because no be only benin, dey happen for everywhere, you understand. So before I go there, make I greet my wonderful subscribers. Thank you for wonderful subscribers, God bless you all, and also thank you for coming back to watch my videos as well. Please, if you have been watching, haven't subscribed, please subscribe so that you can support me on this channel through your subscribing. Thank you. And if you subscribe, please always try to come back and watch my video. God bless you. So the voice message na Benite speak am, which is my Edo dialect, but I will play a little of it so that the video will not be so long. The rest one I will speak with English because this platform not be only my Edo dey watch, also that non Edo people still dey watch, so that they can understand wetin the video they try to tell them. Okay, so let me play the little of the voice so that the rest one I finish with English.
Hello, Matthew, what you know? Ko ya je pe ra yin. Ko family o wa. Ko yo we megi yen me we since. O gegele. Ko yo. Wa ri yen do. Ko. Anyway, my brother, I want to give you a message now. So a message now, we can it only call him mommy, but it might make credit before me. So and you know, in real life, I don't know whether she did WhatsApp. So the knocking where if no soon, mommy the boy, Martin, that's my junior brother who be here inside or here the boy. Who not be any whenever the woman here understand me. So now the woman or two in on a beer about a few days ago. Or it be now where the boy not calling here we on a teacher when he had dear, do not do way come. So here is Savania, then each other the boy to accompany with that maybe were in fever. A driver with the boy king. You small boys, he was a small boy around. So one way that taking if you want to or what drive you can want to meet this if you are they tell Joshua, you know Kiakbo. So where the boy now going at Dakbo or it Dakbo no so already are you wise so one another boy let the Akboni. Do I boy let the Akboni and then you know don't always say no care here because you believe what if you are getting. So when you are Akboni here, so both of them died. Man, as a key boy now. A boy now, you know, you know, keep going to do the both of them died.
Okay.
So, only and then I'm going to
So make I end down here. So he say this as he take talking for Benin now I want I explain for English so that my other fans wey no dey hear Benin dem go understand wetin this voice message talking about. So he say this person their in-law, so him wife he come born. So when him wife born, the boy come call go village go carry her mother come make come do omugwo for the him wife when he born omomo. So he say so when they dey drive dey come now, the boy come dey feel bad say he no dey sound because say the boy na transporter, all those transport driver or tuk driver. So say na I come see when he dey drive dey go na along the road na he come see all those aboki wey dey hawk agbo. Na know wetin be agbo na, all those leaf wey dem dey pack mede na be agbo before o. But God we no come know wetin dem come take do this one now wey be say he come delete papa mama and pikin now. So say na the boy come buy the agbo for roadside, he come carry go house. As he carry the agbo reach house now, he come drink out of the agbo. Since he say he dey feel fever make he cure am, The remaining one he can't give her mother, give his mother. Sorry guys, he can't give the remaining one to his mother. His mother can't still drink. Hope say na fever dey cure. So as 12 dem drink the agbona, before you know now, 12 dem kpai. You see am? 12 dem just kick pocket. So people believe say that agbo wey dem drink na delete them. Mama wey be go carry come for village and make come do omugwo na. Mama no come fit do omugwo. Return back home to go meet the rest children wey live for house now. You know, return again. The woman agbo just take her like that with her son. So why I dey upload this video here now, so that some of our fans wey no dey hear Benin, if they still watch am through this platform, they go still understand wetin happen to this voice record, because na Benin na use throughout. Na let we be Benin na go understand everything when he talk for here. So now wetin he talk for Benin na dey explain for una for English now. So he say na so they come take kpai pikin now wey come do amugwo for na e no come do. So the new papa wey born momo na he don go leave him small omomo for his wife. So why they bring this awareness come from my people? Abeg, we know say things hard. Everything's hard for that Nigeria where we did. They don't make this day easy for us at all. Because even though you want say you don't feel fine, you want go hospital, na money. To even register a loan to get card, na money. We know. So I beg my people, if you don't feel afford doctor card or hospital, go do check-up. If you don't feel fine, you go to pharmacist. If you go to pharmacist, complain to them, say, see how they do you, because most of all those pharmacists, they be doctor, they be nurse. Even the same thing for abroad here. They be doctor, they be nurse. So maybe if you complain to them, if you don't get money to go to do test for general hospital, they go give you the right medicine you go drink for that your sickness. May we know your carry they see anything for roadside, maybe they buy the drink, because we don't know what they happen again this time. When I dey small, those are about two people they buy and they drink. I never see like this. But another mission now they take home. I beg my people, anybody make una share this video, make una let her reach una people hand. Make una still give them now, because not be only Benin, because then I Port Harcourt, they happen, they full everywhere. They full every city for Nigeria. The one when I see one day now for Facebook, that one I see the same thing like this. Agbo. They come discover and say another thing. When they turn out for rubber, and I saw the rubber they met. As they force this aboki rich make it drink for that, he no gree drink. He no gree drink. Imagine that kind of thing now they pour for cellophane nylon. He met like saying a fire. If you couldn't exercise to mocha, you go come be. No be life. Don't go be that. I beg my people, if una dey sick, make una try. Go to pharmacist, go complain to the pharmacian man or the woman, because they be nurse and doctor. Now they open pharmacies. Make una not just they carry buy anything go on. Simon not just they carry drinker like that. I beg, because this life is too precious for us. Where we will just take carelessness go like that. Imagine now, this man I just take his own money, go buy something for a aboki hand, drink him with him mama now, they don't delete. So waiting now, how the rest children will come free now, my people. I beg, make una dey mind what una dey buy, they put for this belle. Because a corner and nigga allow on your phone. This body, if something don't enter am, to come cure am, na problem. If you never enter am, na be the medicine. I beg, make we know dey carry buy, see anything where we see for roadside. We be say no be doctor prescribe am, make we know dey drink am for our belle. I beg. Now make me come share this video today. Anybody will come across this video for my YouTube channel, make una try am. Share am for our family, share am for our friends and well wishers, so they go still listen. They see what they go on now for Benin. Not be only Benin, I just because this one way they say na Benin for Apple, because na Benin man na record the record go give his son. His son can't do us favor now. They can't share am for most all the WhatsApp. But I don't know whether I don't reach some of my fans, and I make me come upload them here. I beg my people, if you now receive this alert or this notification of this video, una click on, make una share am. Una take save life. If una share am, I go save life. People where they buy this anyhow, they put for their belly, they go be careful. Yes, they go be careful to they carry anything where they see, they put for stomach. Say or say it go cure fever. I beg. Okay, my people, make I end this video here, make the video not too long. Thank you for my returning subscribers. As I said before, God bless you. And also thank you for my new subscribers as well. Thank you for subscribing to me. And also follow me on my Instagram page, Mama Virtuous TV. Follow me on my Facebook page, Mama Virtuous TV. We'll see you again in my next broadcast. Bye.